point the gun.
Don't point the gun at something that you don't intend to destroy, right? That's the most important thing. Okay, very good. And also keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire.
Oh, yeah.
You guys remember? No? Okay. Quick little refresher. So the third one is basically always know your target and what is beyond it. So if you intend to shoot that piece of steel or whatever, that object, always want to know what's behind it also. Because you never know if there's, like, you know, for example, a kid or family or maybe a fuel tank, for example. So we have 2 dots in the back and then 1 dot. So how do we do this? You want to focus on the front side. Focus on this one right here. Don't focus here. Don't focus on the target. Focus on the front side. Why don't we start with the pistol first, and then we'll move up here. I'm just going to take a couple of rounds here just to make sure because it's been a little while for me as well. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and get a good stance, and we're going to focus on that front sight with the target. Whenever I'm ready to fire, I'm going to put my finger on the trigger and then gently squeeze. So do you remember how that grip that I taught you last time? No, like this. And you want to have both thumbs in this way. Nice and comfortable. Just go ahead and take 1 shot first. Okay, very good. Not too bad. Okay, let's go for another shot. Just feel relaxed, you know, bend your knees a little bit like you're playing basketball, for example, like a defense, okay? And then basically for the grip, like I mentioned before, right hand is going to be like this. Your left hand in this empty space right here. So I'm just going to adjust your grip here. Very good. There you go. Very good. 2 thumbs forward. Right. Perfect. Relax. Let's just take 1 shot. Trigger. Yep. Finger on the trigger. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and squeeze. Very good. A little bit low left. Yep. Just relax your shoulders. Relax. Awesome. Good hit. A little bit low, but there you go. That's a little bit higher. That's perfect right there.
This is 32?
32, yeah, about 32. That's a hit. Whenever you're ready.
2.
You gotta make at least more than 2.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on 1 second, finger off the trigger. There you go, good. And hold on. This one's gonna go down here. There you go. Okay, finger on the trigger and squeeze when ready. There you go, he's got through it. You know how to take the safety off? Just use your thumb. Yep, there you go, perfect. Okay, take your time, nice and slow, see if you can hit the pine cone. Oh, there you go.
Nice, it was really fun.
Yeah.
And the shotgun is fun. Let's do this. Yeah, do this stuff.
Yeah, it's better weather now. It was a lot better than last year. Last year was a lot of mosquitoes.